If you are an aspiring or even a current business owner and you don't really have any money to either start your business or to even run your business, then this video is for you and I want you to continue watching. Hey, what's going on? It's your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sarah Nicole, and we are back with another video. And in today's video, I want to talk about one of the most common mistakes that I see aspiring and new business owners make every single day. Now, I have been honored to be able to coach literally thousands of students who have enrolled in my courses over the last 2 years. And one of the most common mistakes that I see people make is thinking that they have to go and get business credit or personal credit right when they start their business. But one thing that a lot of people fail to realize or fail to teach when they are making videos and content about building business credit or getting funding for their business is that they forget to mention that it actually costs money sometimes to actually build up business credit, and it costs money to actually fix your personal credit. And so if you are an aspiring or a current business owner and you're trying to figure out how you can get money to start your business or to run your business, this video is for you. Now, in order to start building a business credit, you are going to have to make some purchases from vendors. Now, obviously, you have to have money or some additional money in order to be able to do that. And so, number one, what I would do is find a way to just get some extra money before you start your business. There are so many different side hustles that you can do in order to gain a little bit of capital. If you have good personal credit, you can utilize or leverage your personal credit. And if not, then of course it does take time. It does take resources in order for you to actually repair your personal credit. So if that's not an option, your number one focus should be, how can I make more money? Or how can I raise more money? That should be the number one focus, because like I said, to actually build business credit, this is something that people just for some reason don't like to mention, but in order to build business credit, it does cost money. You have to buy from these vendors, from these Net 30 or Net 60 accounts, right? Or buy these subscriptions and be able to monitor your business credit, which also is an additional cost. So that's one thing that you definitely want to keep in mind as a new business owner. I have people come to me all the time saying, well, I have terrible personal credit and I have no money and I'm trying to figure out how to find somebody to start my business. I'm sure that there are some things in your home or clothing items or things that you can sell, or do DoorDash or do Uber, things like that, in order to get the essential things that you need to actually start operating and running that business. Once you get up and running, your focus should be growing your monthly cash flow, meaning increasing the amount of money that you're actually making and taking home every single month. Once you're at a comfortable position to where you can afford to spend, anywhere between $100 to $200 per month on these different things that you need in order to build business credit, then it's a really good time to start. Now, you also want to keep in mind that building business credit is going to take time. This is not going to be an overnight process. And so that's why the number one focus, and like I said, a lot of business owners tend to get this wrong, but the number one focus should be growing your business first so that you can have the capital and the money that you need in order to get more money and get more capital. A lot of people don't realize that banks don't always like to lend to businesses or even people in general if it doesn't look like they're making any money, because they're going to be wondering, well, how are we going to pay you back, right? Is this person who's not making any money going to pay me back? So you have to show the bank that you have money depositing into your bank account. They are going to look at the average amount of money that is in your bank account over the period of about 90 days whenever you go and apply for a business loan, or if you go apply for a credit card, either personal or business credit card. They look at these things. There's even ways to get funding without using your personal credit, but a lot of times they are still going to look at the cash flow and how much money your business is actually making. So like I said, a lot of people tend to get this backwards. They want to focus on getting the business credit first without even really knowing how to make money in their business, when the number one goal is to figure out, how can I make more money in my business so that my business looks strong and I can be able to get the funding that I need. The main key to getting funding is to look like you don't need the money. I know it sounds crazy and I know it sounds backwards, but that's how these banks work. They want to have confidence in you as a business owner and as a business that you're going to be able to pay them back. So number one focus should be learning how to increase the amount of money that you're making for your business, and then you can go and pursue and get that funding that you need in order to grow and scale and really reach your goals. So I know it's kind of a short video today, but that's all we got for you. Hopefully this was helpful. Drop any questions that you have down below in the comment section. Again, this is your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sarah Nicole, and I'm going to catch you on the next video.